Hi, good evening. Good evening. I am D. Gopi, lecturer in commerce, Law Degree College, Bodhan. So today we are explain to BCom 6th semester. Subject is Managerial Accounting. Chapter is Marginal Costing. So last year class explained marginal costing. Explained. So this is question. P Limited and Q Limited. Two companies are there. So P Limited sales are 3 lakhs, variable cost are 2 lakhs, fixed cost are 50,000, profit is 50,000. Then Q Limited sales are 3 lakhs, variable cost is 2 lakhs 25,000, fixed cost is 25,000, profit is 50,000. Two companies. 1. Calculate P by V ratio. Second one, break even point. Third one, calculate MSS, margin safety of sales. Next one, profit is 30,000. Each company sales how much? Estimation sales. So first we are calculate P Company Limited. So P Company Limited, we are calculate P by V ratio. So P by V ratio, P by V divided by S into 100. So S is sales are 3 lakhs in P Limited company. 3 lakhs minus variable cost or 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs divided by 3 lakhs into 100. So 3 lakhs minus 2 lakhs, 1 lakh divided by 3 lakhs into 100. So 1 lakh divided by 3 lakhs is equal to 0.333333 or after multiplication 100, 33.33333. Same Q Limited company also calculated P by V ratio. Q Limited, Q Limited. So Q Limited P by V ratio equation also same. S minus V divided by S into 100. So in this question, S 3 lakhs, V 2 lakhs 25,000. 3 lakhs 3 lakhs into 100. So 3 lakhs minus 2 lakhs 75,000. So 25,000 after reducing. divided by 3 lakhs into 100. So 2,25,000. This is 2,25,000. This is 75,000. 75,000 divided by 3 lakhs. So answer is 0.25 or 25% P by V ratio. Next, calculate BEP. So BEP, P limited and Q limited. P limited and Q limited. P limited, calculate BEP. BEP. So break-even point principle is F into S, S minus V. In this question, F fixed cost is 50,000. Sales are 3 lakh. Minus variable cost is 2 lakhs. So 15,000 divided by 100 into is equal to 1,50,000 BEP sales. Next, Q limited. Q limited BEP equation also same. BEP is equal to F into S by S minus V. So F R in Q limited, F 25,000, S 3 lakhs divided by S 3 lakhs. Minus variable cost or 2,25,000. So 25,000 into 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs minus 2,75,000. $25,000, 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs minus 25 lakhs. So BEP is equal to 1 lakh. So BEP in Q limited 1 lakh, BEP in P limited 1,50,000. So next to calculate third MSS. MSS equation, sales into BEP sales. MSS equation is sales minus BEP sales. In P limited, sales are 3 lakhs, BEP sales are 1,50,000. So BEP sales 1,50,000. So MSS is equal to 1,50,000. In Q limited, MSS is equal to sales minus BEP sales. sales are 3 lakhs, BEP sales are 1 lakh. So MSS is equal to 2 lakhs. MSS is equal to 2 lakhs. Next to sales. Estimation sales equation is fixed cost plus estimation profit divided by P by V ratio. So fixed cost is this question 50,000. Estimation profit is 30,000 divided by 0.333333. So estimation sales are 2,40,000. The next same in Q Limited. Estimation sales equation same. F plus estimation profit divided by P by V ratio. So estimation sales fixed cost 35,000 plus profit 30,000 divided by P by V ratio 0.25. 55,000 divided by 0.25. So answer is 2,20,000. Estimation sales are 2,25,000. Estimation sales 2,25,000. So this is the, in this question we are calculate P by V ratio and break even points in P Limited and Q Limited, MSS in P Limited and Q Limited. MSS is equal to 1,50,000 in P Limited, MSS in Q Limited 2 lakhs. Estimation sales 2,40,000 in P Limited, 2,25,000 in P Limited.